Hello friends, subscribers and new viewers of this channel, and welcome to Machine Learning and AI Tutorials. In this tutorial, I will explain how to remove, or better to say, delete or erase local Ollama models from your computer. And here is the motivation. In my video tutorials, I'm often using Ollama to install and run large language models locally. And this is nice. However, if you often and frequently download different models, you will often run out of the space on your disk. And you would like to know how to erase models. So let's learn how to do that. But before we do that, let's learn where Ollama stores files and models. Namely, if you go to your C drive, if you go to users, and if you go to your username, you should see this hidden folder .ollama. If you don't see such a folder, click on view, then click on show, and make sure that hidden items is selected. Now, click on this folder and let's see what is inside. Over here you will see this models folder. In fact, Ollama stores all the models over here. Now, do the right click here and click on show more options. No, not show more. Do the right click, do the properties, and over here you can see size. Now you can see that the size of this folder is around 6 gigabytes. Now let's open a terminal or command prompt since we are on Windows. And over here, let's type Ollama list. This command will list all the installed models. And you can see two models over here, and you can see that the size is approximately the same as the size that you see over here. Okay, so to erase models, you need to go back to the terminal and you need to type this, Ollama rm, and then you need to specify the name of the model. But before we execute this command, let's again, for verification, go inside of this folder and let's look into these folders. You have two folders. You have the blobs folder, which contains these SHA-256 files, and you can see that this file and this file are the most important for these two models. And in addition, you have manifests, you have registry, library, and you can see two models over here. Now, after I execute Ollama rm or remove and the name of the model, you will see that this folder or this folder will disappear. So let's do that. Let's start with this folder over here. Copy this, paste, and bang. Now you can see that the model is erased, and over here you can see that the folder disappeared. Now if you go back to models, if you go to blobs, you will see that we are only left with this set of files corresponding to the remaining DeepSeek model. So let's erase the DeepSeek model over here. Let's just change over here the name, copy, paste here, bang, boom, gone. That's it. And you can see in manifest nothing, and in blobs nothing. And that's it. Simple as that. Okay, I hope that you like this video. If you like the videos I'm creating, please press the like and subscribe buttons, and see you in the next video tutorial.